Hello people at YouTube, this is Vincent from Wonders of London. Hope you're all doing well and having a good day. And if you're a lover of literature and writing and poetry and art, this is a place you must visit. It is in the city of London. Your closest station is Old Street Station, and it is Bunhill Fields. And as you can see, we have this sign saying, please help us preserve the interesting history of Bunhill Fields. And many people were buried at this particular field. And in fact, as I mentioned, if you are a fan of poetry or literature or art, definitely visit this place because you have quite some notable figures buried here, and one of them is of course William Blake. And we're going to look at his memorial and his gravestone, because they don't know exactly where he was buried, but they actually unveiled a headstone to William Blake. But before we do, let's read one of his amazing poems, which is London by William Blake. I wandered through each chartered street, near where the chartered Thames does flow, and mark in every face I meet marks of weakness, marks of woe. In every cry of man, in every infant's cry of fear, in every voice, in every band, the mind forged manacles I hear. How the chimney sweepers cry, every blackening church appalls, and the hapless soldier's sigh runs in blood down palace walls. But most through midnight streets I hear how the youthful harlot's curse blast the newborn infant's tear, and blights with plagues the marriage hearse. And that is of course London by William Blake. And if we look over here, we have this beautiful, simple but touching headstone to William Blake and his wife Catherine Sophia. And in fact, she was very important and influential and instrumental in the artwork of William Blake. So she is a very important art history figure herself. But here we have the great late William Blake, who was born in 1757 and died in 1827, buried somewhere here in Bunhill Fields in the city of London. And it is quite a phenomenal memorial. I do hope you enjoyed that little video, and of course do click the like button, subscribe, etc., and have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc., wherever you are. Bye.